Hi, I'm Cliff Ruddle, and I'm in a 2-day Endodontic seminar in Santa Barbara, California.
Santa Barbara is a great destination resort. When you arrive, you'll notice our wonderful proximity to the ocean. We have a working harbor and all that that represents. We have incredible architecture, fantastic food, and we have many outdoor activities that include all members of the family. I welcome you to come train with me at a fantastic resort when you're ready to learn more about clinical endodontics. We have a truly remarkable group of attending doctors comprised of general practitioners and endodontists from the U.S. and from other international countries. This diversity of attendees makes for very dynamic learning. When you arrive, we want to get you your course materials to maximize your learning experience. And of course, we want to feed you well. So what will we do? My job is to improve your confidence, expand your abilities, so that you can implement the things you've learned on your next practice day. Improving your skill is the single most important aspect to staying relevant, engaged, and confident. It's important to break away from the formal aspect of the course and network with like-minded dentists. This interaction contributes invaluably to the course experience. Now that you're here, we need to objectively determine where you're at, because there's where you're at, there's what's possible, and the difference is the gap. This course is designed to close the gap between where you are and not only what's possible, but what's attainable. At the end of any educational day, it's really important to disengage and step back and have the opportunity to socialize and visit with our international guests. And of course, you're not surprised, some of the visitation surrounds clinical endodontics. The most popular aspect of the course is the all-day participation workshop. Here we have the opportunity to learn together. Through demonstration and practical exercises, you can implement and try virtually everything that we've talked about and more. This is your opportunity to refine your skills, ask questions, and network not only with myself, but with your fellow colleagues. The results are shown and reviewed, and it's a wonderful way to move you forward towards your full potential.
You know what, if you do that for 30 days, every single day I do some work, you'll think you did it your whole life. They always say the teacher shows up when the student's ready to learn. I look forward to seeing you in Santa Barbara.